Courage to innovate with the glueBox from Format4. The glueBox applies a coiled PUR-glue strip almost invisibly between the edge material and the workpiece, permanently bonding them together through heat activation. Open the package. Insert the PUR-glue strip, feed in the edge and glue. glueBox is a simple, clean, straightforward solution and makes manual glue pot cleaning a thing of the past. A maintenance-free handling, it combines all the advantages of the PUR adhesive. Water and heat resistant edges for every application and invisible glue joint. Ready to use in just 90 seconds. Available in 3 coil lengths, always suitable and optimally calculable. Coils with 82, 246 and 328 foot in length for workpiece heights of 5/8, 3/4 or 1.58 inch. Glue strip exchange without tools. Alternating operation with the glue pot, possible at any time. No manual cleaning. Optimum results with edge thicknesses from 0.016 to 15/64 and workpiece heights from 5/16 to 1.58 inch. The glue strip can be changed easily and without tools by opening the cover and inserting the new strip. To ensure more comfort, various heights and lengths of the white or transparent colored glue strip are available. With edge control, the edge thickness can be transferred directly to the smart touch control via Bluetooth. Transmission errors can be avoided and even more operating convenience and efficiency can be achieved. Within only 90 seconds of activating the glueBox, edge processing can be started. Taking into account all costs, investment, adhesive material consumption, cleaning costs and expenditure, the glueBox saves up to 90% compared to other PUR glue application systems. Availability: ready to use in just 90 seconds. Profitability: with 3 available coil lengths, always suitable and perfectly planable. Flexibility: free choice. Coils with 82, 246 and 328 foot in length for workpiece heights of 5/8, 3/4 or 1.58 inches. Comfort: glue strip exchange without tools. Resource efficiency: no additional compressed air supply required. Dynamic: alternating operation with the glue pot, possible at any time. Time saving: no manual cleaning necessary. Fortune favors the bold. PUR processing taken to a new level.